Okay, if you have a Chevy Colorado and your air condition doesn't blow on any speed except the number 4 position or the high position, it's probably a good chance that this is your problem. Okay, on the passenger side floorboard, you're going to find the blower motor right around this position, and you'll see there's a wire harness that goes up under there to what we call the blower motor resistor pack. If you can tell by this picture or this view here, this connector here is burnt. Here are the two things that we're going to be replacing today. On top we have the actual resistor pack, and on bottom we have the wire harness that plugs into the resistor pack. Okay, two 7/32 bolts are holding this thing in, and it should pop right out. Doesn't look too bad from this side, but you can definitely tell something's going on that side. Looking back at the connector, definitely tell something's going on. New one, new connector, wires all soldered up. Okay, we got the new AC resistor pack installed, the new harness to the resistor pack, everything complete, soldered, wired in, ready to go. Only thing left to do is test it. Fan speed 1, fan speed 2, fan speed 3, fan speed 4. Job well done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.